Pinup Miami here, and today I want to show you all how I made this cute Baby Yoda baby bib. Let's go. Okay, so for this project I used a RICOMA 15 needle machine, and I bought a file on Etsy. You have to make sure that the file is whatever size you want it to be embroidered on your product. It comes with the DST, a picture of it, and a list of the threads that you will need and the order that you're going to plug it in on the computer. I like to print it out. And then you save the DST file onto a USB. Here I'm turning on the machine. And with the USB, you plug it in. Then you're going to find the file by clicking File and click the USB, find the Baby Yoda file. You have to save it onto the system and then go to the system and press OK after selecting the Yoda file. Then I go to Design Set and I pick what hoop I'm going to use. For this one, I'm using a C hoop. You see it fits the image perfectly on the screen. So then you gotta make sure that the hoop fits onto the machine. As you can see here, it's too wide. So I use a Allen wrench and I open them up and move in the slips. I don't know what they're called. You see it fits perfectly, just like the image that you see on the machine. So now I'm putting an interface that is rippable, and I'm going to put it behind because the baby bib is stretchable. So I want the machine to make sure it embroiders without moving the bib around. So that's why I'm putting this interface. And with the hoop, I open it up and make sure the little thing in the corner is to the right, because that's where it's going to go in. And then you hoop it. Basically, whatever you could hoop, you could fit into this machine. Then with the sheet that you got from the file, you got to put the order into the machine by clicking the 3 little threads and then put the order of the threads you like. You have to change the thread accordingly to whatever thread you need. Then you press OK. I click the trace image right there. It's a little square with arrows. I pull down just to make sure that your needle is not going to hit the hoop. I also do, I forgot the name of this tracing, but just to make sure, another check that it's not going to hit the hoop at all. Then you are ready to go. If you want to see a full sped up version of the embroidery, I put it on my TikTok. Those are the steps, and I didn't show it, but after you take it out of the machine, I used rippable interface. If you guys want to see a video on anything I've said or shown, I'll show more in detail. But yeah, you have to rip it off and then you're done. And then I also did Princess Leia and this one. Alright, so if you like, please comment, like, subscribe, and if you want to see anything else, please comment below and I will get right on it. These are really fun and I'd like to do more if you're interested. Have a wonderful day.